bring in Judge Jeanine Pirro. How do you think today went for Fani Willis?
I have to tell you that she was, without a doubt, the most confrontational, combative, non-responsive, defiant, condescending, arrogant witness I've ever seen in a courtroom, especially in a courtroom, and not be taken away in the county bus and held in contempt at the local jail. I mean, this just does not happen in courtrooms. She walks in and she literally is so angry. She accuses the lawyer right off the bat of lying in her questions, where there are sworn affidavits, and the judge doesn't say anything. I mean, the judge just lets her. She's out of control. She says that this lawyer is, what is it, contrary to democracy, everything she's doing. Meanwhile, you look at Wade. This guy is sweating bullets. He knows he doesn't have any evidence on his side. He knows his claim of getting cash as a reimbursement is ridiculous. And by the way, if this guy ever tries a case against President Trump ought to have 2 drinks. And he doesn't drink, though, and be happy. This guy drank water all for hours. I kept saying, when's he going to the bathroom? I mean, all he did was drink water.
You have been in the legal world for a long time. How familiar are you with the idea of just cash everywhere?
Let me tell you. The first thing that's going to come out of this case is the IRS now has a target on Wade's back. Because, yeah, my clients come in all the time, and, you know, they pay me cash. And she comes up with cash. Nobody's taking money out. Nobody's depositing money. Nobody's going to an ATM. They're just, but we should believe them. We should believe them. Meanwhile, a woman who was her best friend says, yeah, they were basically sleeping together in 2019. But the woman came in, tried to control the courtroom, and here's my concern, Jesse.
What?
The judge acted like a wimp. This judge should have been offended right off the bat when she tried to run the courtroom. She ran it. He did not.
Why did he pander to her so much?
I don't know. All I can think of is I did a little background. He's just been appointed a judge, so he's a new judge. He doesn't know the ropes yet. But he's running for re-election in 4 months, okay? So he doesn't want to tee her off. He doesn't want to tee off the community.
Judge, you remember when the guy was in court, I think it was Nevada, and he just jumped over the thing?
Yeah, that
I thought Fani was going to do that at one point.
Well, I think she might have. I mean, had she gotten angry enough. I have never seen a witness this out of control and then lecture the judge, point her finger at the judge and lecture to the attorneys. This woman potentially holds the fate of the nation in her hands as a prosecutor against the president, former president. This is crazy time.
Usually you don't want to announce you keep lots of cash in your house when you're a public official.
Yeah.
Is that something you'd probably leaned against doing when you were running things?
For sure. And by the way, when I was the DA, the chances of me taking 6 vacations in 5 months are slim to none. What DA has that kind of time?
Prosecuting Trump's hard work. You got to blow off some steam.
Well, that's why she hired him. This guy can't try a felony case. I'm telling you right now.
Okay, Judge Pirro doesn't keep any cash in her house at all.
None.
Thank you very much. Click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis. You won't get it anywhere else.